Context of English language. Here, what does it mean, the context? Context means what are the agenda, what are the purpose. Whenever we start talking anyone, we have some agenda, we have some mentioned topic. Here, such as context refers to the situation, purpose and environment in which language is used. The meaningful of message often depends on the context. What does it mean? You just try to remind your any kind of conversation with anyone. You change your content, you usually change your words for any kinds of specific context. This is called the context. What are the on what ways context depends? Context includes social context, relationship between speaker, cultural context, customs and traditions influencing communication, situational context, place, time, and purpose of communication. First of all, try to understand what does it mean, social context. सोशल कॉन्टेक्स्ट रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन स्पीकर, मतलब आप जिससे बात कर रहे हैं क्या वो फॉर्मल है, क्या वो इनफॉर्मल है. फॉर्मल है तो व्हाट आर द वर्ड्स यू विल चूज टू टॉक विद देम, व्हाट आर द वर्ड्स you will select to talk with the informal communication. So this is called the social communication. You are talking with your boss, you are talking to your colleagues, you are talking with your siblings or the family, friends, anyone. Those comes under the informal communication. And next we have cultural context, customs and traditions influencing communication. Look, have you ever wished anyone every day, any kind of festivals? Whenever we talk any festival, any decoration, it is depends on the situation. If there is some program, we dive into the program only, we talk about the program. So this is called cultural context in simple manner. Next, situational context. Situational, sometimes it depend upon your conversation. Maybe you are so talkative but the situation is not allowing you to talk a lot, so you keep quiet and listen properly, maintain the decorum of the situation. So this is called situational context. So many other things are also included here, but in simple way, how other people interpret a single sentence meaning in different way according to the situation. For example, it's very cold here. If someone said it's very cold here, किसी ने बोला कि यहाँ बहुत ठंडी है, तो इसको अलग अलग इंटरप्रेटिंग क्या हो सकता है. व्हाट अदर पीपल विल अंडरस्टैंड, सिंपल दे विल ऑब्जर्व, ओके ओके सी इज टॉकिंग, सी एंड ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द वेदर. मे बी समवन विल अंडरस्टैंड सी इज रिक्वेस्टिंग टू क्लोज द विंडो. Next interpreting will be hint to switch on the heater. So these, I hope you will understand the situational context. The intended meaning depends on the situation. It's simple way, what the people want to understand, what the people want, what the people's intention to understand, what they will try to understand, they want to understand, is called situational intended meaning. Next, conclusion. I am concluding over here analysis of English language. English language is best understood by analyzing its substance, forms and context. Here I am completely winding up this topic with the proper and neat and clean nutshell clarification. Substance deals with what? The physical medium of communication, speech and writing. Next, form focuses on the structure and grammatical organization of language. Whenever we try to frame any sentence without following the structure, the sentence never can be a meaningful. The sentence will be the worthless if we will not follow the structure of the form of the language. Next is context. Context explains how meaning changes according to the situation and purpose of communication. मतलब कभी भी कोई भी सिचुएशन पे क्या मीनिंग इंटरप्रेट होता है, क्या वो पर्पस चेंज हो जाता है आपके बात करने का, वो डिपेंड करता है. पर्पस चेंज हो जाना बात करने का मतलब, सपोज दैट यू आर टॉकिंग विथ योर फ्रेंड्स इन जनरली, बट देयर इज सम प्रोग्राम, सम फॉर्मल इंटरव्यूज आर गोइंग ऑन. विल यू एवर टॉक विद द इनफॉर्मल वे देयर? No one can allow informally talk there. So next we are completing together these three aspects make English an effective and meaningful tool for communication. So completing, I'm winding up this content analysis of English language. I hope you all will understand these things. If anyone is having doubt, please let me know in comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video.